In this lesson, I'm gonna show you how to use Picklist. So let's open a product management. We'll log in with the default details. And from the top right corner menu, we'll go into the Picklist section. So what a Picklist shows you is all items which need to be picked to fulfill the orders. As you can see the product SKU here, like order number which the item is placed on, and also number of lines which is currently on the order. So that means there's 7 different products on the order itself. And also you can see the current stock of the product. To pick, you have 1, as you can see on this one, and then shelf location. There's a couple of ways to pick the product. The first way, it's the obvious way, just scan the actual product SKU. Let's do that. So, and as you can see, we picked item. Now the other way is to obviously type in the code. So let's say 01. We're picking up the first item, and we hit enter, and we picked it. That's it. And now we can also scan an alias here, and that will get picked. Now, as you can see, like the pick list will show you by default 3 items, next three items to pick. In the minute when you finish picking these 3 items, new 3 items will be shown. Other way of marking item as picked is just basically swipe right. That's it. And we swipe right. And as you can see, we picked these 2 items. So we only have 1 item left. Once we swipe right, next 3 items will show up. Swipe right. Swipe right. Show. As you can see, there's next item here to be picked. And that's product 04 to pick. We have 2, and that's an order with just 1 line on it. Now, what if you don't have these items for some reason? You go into the shelf and then you don't have it on the shelf. What you need to do is skip the item. So if you swipe left, the pick will be skipped. In this way, within 2 minutes, you're gonna get an email informing you about the skipped item, and you can act on it accordingly and then in the later stage. So you'll get a notification with a reminder of which item on which order, what's the quantity skipped. So let's see if we got the email already. Go into Gmail. And there we go. As you can see, we received the notification. So let's go in and have a look. So this product was skipped, please act on it. You have SKU, you have quantity, you have order number, which the item was picked from. What if you made a mistake while picking the item? Can you revert the action? Yes, you can. I'll show you that now. So let's imagine that we're picking the product 04 and click undo. And as you can see, the item just goes straight back in onto the pick list. And from here, you can just pick the item again, or you can just say, no, I wanted to actually skip the item. But if you skip the item and you didn't want to do it, you also can press undo, and the action will be reverted.